Welcome to use our AI video platform. Simplify your video creation process. I am an AI avatar created by vidAU. You can use me as your video actor.
Thank you for checking out this video. Isn't it incredible? The realism here is absolutely impressive. Imagine creating lifelike avatar videos like this in just minutes. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an amazing tool that makes it all possible, an AI-driven platform that's making waves in both productivity and creativity. So without further ado, let's dive in. Meet vidAU.ai, the all-in-one AI-powered platform that's revolutionizing video editing. vidAU isn't just another editing tool, it's an AI breakthrough in video production. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone passionate about making videos, this platform simplifies your workflow by automating tedious tasks and enhancing your creative process. Right from the homepage, you'll notice the user-friendly and intuitive interface. Every feature is designed with ease of use in mind, so you can jump into projects without any learning curve. But what truly sets vidAU.ai apart are its cutting-edge AI tools. With options like avatar creation, urltovideo, description to video, vidauavatar, and background removal. vidAU helps bring your creative visions to life in just a few clicks. For example, the avatar to video feature allows you to create a digital representation of yourself or any character imaginable, all powered by advanced AI. Creating videos with AI-generated avatars is simple. Start by selecting a base model or uploading a reference image. Choose the aspect ratio and language, write the script, and then click Generate Avatar Video. You can customize every detail, including subtitles, voice, and script, for a truly personalized experience. Want to turn a web page into a video? The URL to video function can do just that. Paste the URL, and vidAU will automatically generate a video summarizing the page content, ideal for repurposing content for social media, presentations, or tutorials. For e-commerce businesses, vidAU's description to video tool is a game changer. Just enter the product name, upload an image or provide a description, then select your settings. The AI will generate a high-quality promotional video effortlessly.
Stop settling for ordinary face washes that just cleanse.
Stop settling for ordinary face washes that just cleanse. Pond's Pure Detox Face Wash takes your skin's health to the next level.
You can even customize the details from script to font color, making this tool perfect for creating engaging content with minimal effort. In the AI Toolkit section, vidAU really shines. Here you'll find tools like URL to video, description to video, vidauavatar, video translate, background removal, watermark and subtitle removal, text to speech, and subtitle translation, covering almost any video editing task you can imagine. And don't miss the Creative Center, your go-to workspace for all things creative. With a vast library of customizable templates, starting a new project with a professional look is easier than ever.
Art of lip perfection with L'Oreal Paris Color Riche. Your lips deserve.
From video intros to promotional content, these templates help you create polished projects without the hassle of searching through endless files. Everything you need is at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tools and tutorials. See you in the next one.